Today, the challenge has changed. We need to address a still ever-growing population under a different climate that keeps changing. We don't know exactly what it means. And with the people that can afford more, they will eat more meat. They will ask for more diversity in the diets. And plant breeding, therefore, is still relevant. Not only because we will increase the total output per unit of land or unit of time, but also because there is a demand that we should not affect the environment. So we need to go into resource use efficiency, resilient crops, and by doing crossing, selection, and use of biotechnology, we can deliver what the population is asking for. I think that the challenge today is going beyond just increasing output per unit area. Now we need to look also into the whole value chain. That will require to look for resource use efficiency. So we go on the system level, as well as what is the produce that will go into the different end users. And the end user could be a farmer, of course, but also could be a farmer that will sell that to an industry, or could be a farmer that will look for a special market that is asking for this type of nutritious, healthy food. So the challenge is bigger. And that's what perhaps is a time for change in the breeding mindset. We want to overcome the problems of malnutrition. And that will require a complete different thinking that is not just about productivity gains, it's about gains in quality of the diet that will require sometimes still interventions of genetics through plant breeding. So what it is done today, and the best example is in the dairy cattle industry, is you will use a system of equations that incorporate some information coming from a set of individuals who provide both the data of what we can see, the phenotype, and the data of what we cannot see, but there's the one controlling the phenotype, the genotype. And based on that set of equations, we will predict what will be the best parents. That's the reason we call it the genomic prediction of breeding values. The breeding value is how you will be judged according to what your offsprings perform. To such extent that today in the OECD countries, all dairy cattle breeding is done on these systems. It's not done in the classical old way. In an agenda like the CGIAR looking for improving livelihood, it may change the outputs of some stables producing milk.